Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we'll be making this rainbow friendship bracelet, so stay tuned. And here are the materials. These are the colorful paper strips. This is the quilling needle and this is fevicol, and here I am having some hooks. So if you are using a chain, you can use this. Otherwise we can use this black thread so that you all can easily arrange. So firstly we'll start with the strip. So I have taken this yellow color strip. So basically you have to take the colors that are there in a rainbow. Okay, so this is the yellow strip that I have taken. Now I will insert my quilling needle and now we will just start rolling it, and we have to roll it till our strip finds an end. So there it is, we have got the end. Now we will create a tight coil and we'll just put some fevicol and stick it. So here is my tight coil. Now I will just pinch it to give it a different shape, so it's a teardrop kind of a shape. Okay, so now I'll create many more like this. So basically we have to create 2 tight coils of every colored strip. Okay, so here I am joining them. You have to join them in the same way that I am doing. Okay, so I have taken two like coils of one same color, and now I am joining them. You need to do the same. So all are done. Okay, this is the yellow one. Oh, okay, now I'm left with only one orange, so I have created one more, and now I'm pasting both of these. So now these are done, and now we'll paste them together this way. Okay, so firstly I have taken violet, then blue, indigo, so that way I am taking all these shades. Okay, so you can take all these colorful shades like this so that they can resemble a rainbow. Okay, so here I have just joined them together, and now 2 more are left, so I'll be joining them quickly, and then we'll move towards the band part. Okay, so that we can wear them in our hands, or we can just gift it to our friends. Okay, so here it is. So it is done. It's already looking beautiful. So now I will take one white strip and I will roll it around a brush or maybe any of this thickness tool, so that I can make a loop around this band. Okay, so I'll be making 2 loops like this. So there is, you can say there's a space between. I have now pasted them to both of the ends, and now I will take my thread. So whichever thread you are having, if you are like applying a chain, then you can put this hooks like this and then you can wrap the chain around, but I'm using this thread so that you all can easily arrange this. So I'm just inserting it now in my space which is there between the 2 coils at the last, and then I have inserted it in the loop that I have created. So I am doing this, so you can do it the same way. And now I have inserted it in and out, and now it is almost ready to wear. Okay, so now you can just wear it like this, or you can just gift it to your friends. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe.